Hi guys, this is Jeff with Slavens Racing. This video is about my 2018 KTM 250 XCW-TPI. This bike is for sale. That's why I'm making this video, so any interested people can take a good look at it. Let's see, it's got Slavens graphics on it, obviously. It's got tubeless on both ends. It's got a new Motaz tire on the front. Different springs front and rear. Those can be changed to match the weight of whoever buys it. I mean, I can change those out. It's also been revalved on both ends. It's got an AXP skid plate on it, the Xtreme. Trailtech fan kit. S3 head, one of our proprietary ones. Let's see, sorry about all the background noise, but let's see what kind of miles this thing has on it. 362 miles. So I bought this bike just for testing. I've not ridden it that much, just a lot of short runs for testing. It's got a turbine core, FMF 2.1 turbine core, and the tubeless in the back as well. Let's see, what else am I missing on this side? Underneath the seat here is a GOODIE ECU. It's a $900 piece. This bike runs exceptionally well. It's got the high compression head and the GOODIE ECU, and the fueling is correct on it. Starts and runs great. And let me think over here. The gearing is stock. Tried some different gearing combinations, didn't care for them. Went back to stock. And then I'll post a list of what all's on this bike at the bottom of the video. And it's also got bulletproof rear guards. I'm sure there's some other little things I'm forgetting in this video, but like I said, I'll post that list here. But it's a low mileage, super clean, never been crash hard or anything like that. And like I said, I just bought it for testing, and now I'm done with it, and time to clean out the garage a little bit. That's all for now.